What's up, this is just BB stuff, and I'm going to be showing you one of the M41 series, M41GL Airsoft BB gun. Yeah, this one only comes with the sight, Red Cross, sends the Desert Eagle, and the doesn't come with that. That's the GL by attachments. There's three sorts of the gun. It's full scale completed one. Yeah, there's, I don't know, I forgot where it says it, but it's can transform into three. Yeah, there, three styles, changeable. Yeah, there's the first one. They all have the sight on, by the way. Yeah, you can have the little nozzle on, the big front barrel on, and you can have the whole thing. But it doesn't have the laser. Now let's open it up. Yeah, there's what it's boxed like. You get 100 BBs with it. I've used about 20. Came with a belt. I've already put it on. This is just the basic bit of the gun. Quite big, the basic bit. The mag. It's got the realistic 50 caliber bullets in there. The front barrel, the main one. Yeah, it's cool. The back extension to make it look like a G36C. The little front nozzle that goes on there like that. Leave that in the box. And the Red Cross sight. Now let's put it all together. First we'll put the mag in. Mag goes in here. Looks very cool when it's ready, when it's done. Front barrel goes on. Here. Back extension goes on here, and finally the Red Cross. I might have to cut this bit out. Okay, back I put the Red Cross sight on. If you look down it, it's not that strong really. It's bigger than it looks. It's smaller than it looks the way I'm seeing it at the moment. It is very good. You can have that lighter one or the redder one or the orange one. Yeah. I think it looks very good like this. Average range is about 45 meters. The max range is about 60. I'm gonna get a front barrel that has a fitted bipod there. I didn't get it with the bipod because that's the M41K and it's harder to get. Yeah, the 100 bullet. I'm going to do a firing test later on in the week, you know, shooting out of my window. And it goes to about, I don't know, but we'll find out when it shoots. I'm going to shoot some 0.12 BBs, gram BBs, 6mm. Yep, and I've also got some silvers. And I'll do a review of my targets as well. Yeah, the stock's the best bit, I think. Without the stock it would look nothing like a G36C. And the mag is curly mag, so. I'm not sure if you can take this bit off yet, because it wouldn't look that good with it off. I think it looks a lot better with the sight than without it. Yeah, that's really the review for the M41K GL. That's it. BB gun model. It looks really like a G36C. So yeah, that's it. Okay, bye. And also, you got to check out our new website. It's called www.justbbstuff, no spaces, no capitals, .com, and it should come up with like new posts and stuff. Because we're going to put all the videos on the site as well. And we're going to have a P698 handgun on soon. That's one of our friends. That's the other person who does this channel with me. Yeah, you can. Also, we're going to do a P90 and a shotgun review maybe. Well, shotgun review I have more high hopes of. Yeah. I might see another one of my friends who's got about 5 BB guns, but they're not as big as this. I have 2 BB guns, the M39 GL and the M41 GL. I prefer this one to Desert Eagle Easy. Yeah, okay, that's really all for this review. Okay, keep checking out our channel because we're going to do a lot more reviews. Okay, bye.